What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. The Rogue Vet here. We are going to Rides and Coffee at the Detail Garage Northeast location, so hopefully it's a good show. Just want to make another video, y'all. Going to another car meet, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. All right, let's go ahead and check out the action. What's up, guys? Sorry about the background noise. They just got music playing on for these meets here, so I'm gonna try to talk over it. But I'm here a little early, parked by this nice C6 Grand Sport that you see right next to me, and we're gonna take a quick look at his. He looks like he's got, I think, the Grand Sport wheels that comes with the car. It also has the little red ring around the rims there that kind of looks pretty good, and the same with the front splitter. He's got, you know, the little red detail on that part right there, so that looks pretty good there. I mean, it's pretty well kept. I like the Grand Sport blacked out emblem there, and the little black spoiler on the back, and then he's got the red and black interior going on right here, so that looks pretty good there. These Grand Sports are, I like them, they're nice. Let me get a back shot. You can kind of see this is what it looks like from the back here. That looks really good. And let me go to the other side here so you can kind of see a side over here. But I like it. I like the Grand Sports, especially the red he's got on there and the stripes on the side there. And then of course you see mine here. I got mine looking pretty as ever, and just two red Corvettes, C6, C7. You know, what can you can't go wrong with a Corvette. But two nice ones, red and red. And we got a nice little CTSV over here, white. All you CTSV lovers. That's pretty clean. White, black wheels, gray calipers. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Looks like we got some guys coming in. We got a duo. We got a Charger SRT Hellcat with the wide body, and a Charger SRT, I think, or 392 with the Durango. Looks like they're probably together because they both sprout in black. Got paper plates on that other one there. That's pretty cool. Got the RS5 Audi. And we got a couple other things over here, guys. Let me just get this. So I see a nice GTO back over here, black. It's got some satin wheels, pretty clean. I mean, it's shining, so it's looks like the owner keeps up with it. And calipers are red. I like that. This looks pretty clean, man. I mean, paint looks really good for the year. You don't see too many of these, so pretty nice. And then right next to it we have a Evo. It's like a brownish kind of paint job, black wheels. Pretty nice here. And tied up the engine bay a little bit. Oh, look, we got a little rat rod coming in. Chupacabra on the side. He has a 427 Cobra engine. That's what it says on the valve covers there. You can see the side exhaust, the wheelie bars. Look how fat those tires are in the back, man. Oh my gosh. That is cool looking for sure. For sure. He's backing it up right now. Yeah, look how fat those meats are, man. Oh my gosh. And we got another Mitsubishi over here. I think it's an Evo. It's not a GTS, but white wheels, dark blue paint. All right, guys, and there's the shop right there, the detail garage. And I guess here are a couple of the ones I guess they're showcasing that you get to be put right in the front of the store. Mr. Chrome wrapped, looks like 370Z, and then the nice red 5.0 over here. Got nice wheels and cow hood, stuff like that. But sorry guys, it's just super loud. All right guys, I'm gonna move down the line. So we got two Chrysler 300s. They're both black on black. Pretty cool looking. I like the interesting hood on this one. And let me back up to this one over here. Red leather interior. And then there's that Charger Hellcat, the wide body one back. All right, guys, I'm kind of going away from the music. Sorry, I know that it's pretty loud. They should probably turn it down a little bit. But that's not my show. So, but anyway, a couple of BMWs over here. I just wanted to get shots. This is an M3. And I guess another M3 that's slightly older. And pretty cool. I like this white one. So I guess a bunch of M3s. All lined up for us to enjoy. Oh guys, I think that's pretty much the video. It's pretty hot out here. Small little meat, so I just wanted to make a quick video going over it. As you can see my whip right there. But until the next video guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and this is the Robot out guys. Peace.